So welcome friends, today I'm going to unbox a new one. Want to guess what is it? I'll show you. I have wrapped it, sorry for the showing. You can see this way. I've got a bill of this. Just it's a 399. Just guess it what is. It's nothing but a hair dryer. Today I'm going to unbox this hair dryer. Let's see my opinions. Let's see about this product, and I have delivered it yesterday and came and it had been delivered today. Let's see from where it have delivered from. It's in Bangalore, Karnataka. You can see it's the hair dryer. It's wrapped. Let's open. I'm opening in front of you. So as you can see, this is the box of this set. Yes, you cannot see this full, but I will try for that. This is hair dryer Nova. Let's see for a full scan. Okay, now let's unbox it. Oh, that's really without any wrapping. And we get something like warranty card or resale manual, I don't know. Let's see. It has said that it is a 60 degrees Celsius temperature will give. This is not a warranty, this is just in a manual card. They have given many precautions you can follow. And this is the hair dryer. This is foldable. You can see we have buttons. You can see it's 0 1 2 0 0. This is 0 1 and 2. 1 means cold, 2 means hot. Just for reference I'm showing. And let's see the placements. This is little shaking, I don't know. It's good for. They have here their branding. They have their branding here. Here is from where they are blues. This is rotation. You can rotate. Back is that air absorbs in this way and exits this way. This is foldable as I said. So they have wrapped. Without let's see the specifications. They have not displayed the specifications. There's just said that a type rate frequency, the standard rate power 1200 watts. So here's some what's to say the information about the manufacturing. It has MRP rupees 849, but I bought for rupees 400. It's now also available in Flipkart. You can check the description and buy. It's from Lalbagh, Bangalore. Import and everything. BLR. Then nothing to see. That's the same way. Nothing. On top also they are putting some number. I think it's the courier number. I'll show you. I think this is the courier number. This green strip is a courier number, I think so. They have a barcode. So now let's come to this. Let's open this and let's test. So let's test now. Let's plug this now. So we have plugged now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Have the music. Here is how. Let's me. See what process is going on inside. So this is a good grill, as you can prevent many hands that like. So good for normal usage. That's all for this video. If you like, hit a thumbs up. That's all for this video.